But the others said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. So, some people suggested that the king has to get advices from some council. Some council means council is it is written here, a group of people chosen to give advice to make or to make rules. So, the king cannot take a decision alone. Instead, he has to consult the council. That means the members of a group of wise men who can help him. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it's necessary to look into the future. Some people suggested that in order to do something at the right time, it is necessary to look into the future. And only magicians could do that. The king therefore would have to go to magicians. Who are magicians? Magicians are people who can foreseeing the things and tell the things earlier. The future things they can tell earlier. Those people are called magicians. So, for doing something at the right time, the king can consult a magician and get advice from the magician and do accordingly. So, this was so many suggestions came for the first question, but the king was not satisfied. And second question, in their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors. Others said the priests. So what was the second question he has to get answer for? Which people should he listen to? That means the king has to listen to whom? Counselors. Counselors means counselors are a group of wise men. So the wise men can give good advice to him. And some others said that he has to get advice from the priests. A few others chose the doctors, and yet others said that the soldiers were the most necessary. So many people came there which were counselors, priests, doctors or soldiers. So the king can consult one among these people to get good advice. And what was his third question? The third question was, what is the most important thing for him to do? What was the most important thing for him to do? For the answer to the third question, some people said that he has to do science. Some others chose fighting, yet others chose religious worship. So, science, fighting, religious worship, the king can choose one among these three and he can do in that field. As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. And the king promised them if they give proper answer to his questions, he will give award. But since the answers were not satisfactory, the king did not give any reward. And what did he do? Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. Who is a hermit, you know? A hermit is the person who lives alone and leads a simple life. A person who lives alone and simple life can be said to be a hermit or sannyasi. That is hermit. And this hermit was known for his wisdom. So the king decided to visit and consult the hermit. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on ordinary clothes. So what did the king do? The king lived, the hermit lived in a wood which he never left. And so, but he thought since the hermit is very simple, the people living that area also should be simple. So what did the king do? The king wore simple dress. Normally a king wears a very luxurious dress, you know. So that the king changed his luxurious dress and he wore simple dress. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. Normally, a king is riding on horseback and bodyguard will be accompanying. So what did the king do? Both the horse and the bodyguard he kept aside and he went to the hermit's home alone. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. What did the king do? See, whenever he reached the hermit's home, the king saw that the hermit was digging the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit saw the king, but he didn't reply. Then what did he do? He continued digging the ground. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. The hermit was very old. The old persons, you know, they will be weak. So, as he worked, this man was very weak and he breathed heavily. He breathed heavily means if some people will do something, the people will breathe heavily. That the hermit also did. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you answer 3 questions. The king asked the hermit, I came here to get answers for my 3 questions. And he told him the questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need most? And what affairs are the most important? The same 3 questions he repeated. What did the hermit do, you know? The hermit listened to the king. He listened to all the questions. He heard, but did not speak. He didn't say the answer. He went on digging. Then the king said to the hermit, what? You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. What is a spade, you know? Spade is a tool used to dig the ground. It's written here, a spade, a tool for digging the ground. And let me take the spade and work in your place. That means I will help you. You just take rest. I will dig the ground. Thanks, said the hermit. On hearing that, because he was very weak after doing this work, so he was very happy to get help from the king. Giving the king his spade, then he sat down on the ground. So what did the hermit do? The hermit gave the spade in the hands of hermit and he sat down on the ground. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. He was digging, and by the time he was asking him the questions, the hermit gave no answer. He was listening only. He didn't tell any answer whenever the king repeated 2 times. The hermit gave no answer but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade and said, now you rest and let me work. So after taking a rest, he was become fresh. So he told the king, now you take rest and I will do. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. What did the king do? The king did not give him the spade, and he was continuing the work. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, so what? Hours passed, much time passed away, and the king was looking that the sun went down behind the trees. And at last, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my questions. He said, please, hermit, tell me answers. It was just reached evening, so I want to get answers. If you can give me no answer, tell me so, and I will return home. If you cannot say answer to my questions, I will return home. At that time, what happened, you know? Here comes someone running, said the hermit. Whenever the king asked him, if you cannot say answers to my questions, I will return home. By the time the king was telling what? Here comes someone. By the time someone was coming to the hermit's home.